Do you guys know what this is?
What is it, Odin?
It's a 4.
It's a number 4, that's right. And today we're going to use these number 4s or something similar to them. And we're going to have it help us draw a
Shark.
A shark. A super scary shark. It's actually kind of a little bit funny and scary, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go do this.
Yeah.
So we're drawing a cool shark.
Yeah.
With the number 4. So what should we do first? We should draw a...
Number 4.
That's right. Let's draw number 4. Okay. And we're going to want to draw the number 4 like this. Something like that, okay?
Okay.
Basically in the middle of your page. There you go.
Uh-oh.
You like to break your lead, huh? That's good. We're going to need to erase some of these, okay? Odin's is nice and very big. Mine's a little bit smaller. Now, parts of this we're going to need to erase, okay? So keep your erasers handy. That's why we're starting in pencil. The first thing we're going to do is on the end of this section of the 4, we're going to draw 2 large eyeballs, and they're going to overlap each other. Look at this. Okay, so you draw one, and then you draw the other one in behind it. Nice and big. And then put the other one a little bit behind it. Right.
Not again.
Oh my goodness. We have an urgent news announcement. Odin has just been crowned the world's biggest pencil breaker.
Yay.
Now back to the drawing. Maybe don't push so hard, okay?
Okay.
Good. Now inside of these eyeballs, we're going to do ovals for the pupils. Those will be colored in black in a few minutes. Okay? Now we're going to do swoosh lines for the eyebrows. And then underneath his eyes, you got a couple skin folds. So, ooh, I did what you did. So 2 lines like that under each eyeball. Nice. All right, now we're going to draw the snout of the shark. So that's going to come way out to the side here like this. Okay, when you think you've gone far enough, go just a little bit further. Actually, you don't have a ton of room. Come right out here. Okay. It's okay. I got more.
Okay.
Come right almost out to the edge, okay?
Okay.
Boink. Good job. That's good. Now, next, we're going to draw a fin that goes here. I think it's called the dorsal fin, if I have that right. So there's going to be a fin right here. And it's going to curve down and go right between his eyeballs. Boop. Curve it down right between his eyeballs. Boop. Boop. Good job. Next, we draw, we're going to draw this piece. It's going to come down. It's going to be the top of his jaw. And it's going to end right over in here. And then we're going to have to erase this piece. Ready? Watch this. And we put a line on it like that. So you can see this is going to be the top. This is going to be his snout and the top part of his jaw. Good. Oh, these are looking cool. All right, next we're going to draw a tail, the tail fin. So this is going to go from this point on the 4, and it's going to curve, and we're going to come way down here with it. I might have went a little bit too far with that, because I want both sections of the tail to be similar in size. So I've got to do a little erasing. I went a little too far. Is that okay, Crafty and Stevie, if we make some mistakes? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's fine. So my tail's actually going to come to about here, and then it's going to curve back into about there. See that? Curve that back in. Ooh, good job, Odin. Now, we're going to erase this part of the 4, because we don't need this one part. Okay, ready for the next step? Mm-hmm. All right. So the next step is we're going to draw a fin down here. These are his steering fins. That's how he steers his way through the water. So we're going to take from here and curve it down. It's going to look like a football shape. And we're going to take from here and curve it back up. We're breaking all sorts of lead today. It's going to be like a football, so it's going to curve back up there. Don't worry, we're going to thicken this up with Sharpie, so that's going to look just great. Okay.
I don't like
Do you want to do that again?
I
You want to make it
notice
look a little more like a football?
Yeah. How do you make it more like a football?
So you curve it, and then you start from the point and you curve it. So it's going to have like sort of like a point down there. There you go. That's really good.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Now, we're going to take, as soon as Odin's ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Do you feel ready?
Mhm.
Okay. We're going to take from the tail, and we're going to come into the fin. That's going to be the start of the underside of the shark. Come to just about midway through the fin there. The next part is we're going to come, imagine this comes right through the fin, and then you're going to curve it up, and it's going to end up landing like right up here on his snout. So it actually worked for me to go kind of backwards, but it's up to you. You want to have it land like somewhere near. You got a big chin. Do you want to fix his chin a little bit? So it kind of goes in like that. There's nothing wrong with a big chin shark, though.
Yeah.
So, like, glide it along so it
Okay.
meets that. I like it, my man. I like it. That's really good. And don't forget, we're going to be thickening all this stuff up with Sharpie, okay?
Okay.
These lines will look great. You satisfied?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, now it's one of the really fun parts is to do the teeth. Okay, we're gonna draw 6 teeth, and they're all gonna be triangles. Ready? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't even matter if they're the same size. Okay, they're like big cartoonish teeth, so they don't have to be accurate size. You know, if you have 7, it's okay. It's okay. It really doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna do some gill lines. 1, 2, 3 gill lines.
Some gill lines. 1, 2, 3 gill lines.
Okay, just 2 things left to go. One, we're gonna do like a color line on his belly, because that line right there will be a slightly different color. Okay, and then we're gonna draw 2 little ovals right up there for his snout. Nice job, my man. All right, now we are ready to take our Sharpies. Shushing, shushing. Those look pretty good.
Mhm.
All right, let's go for it. We'll fast forward this part, but we're going to trace over all of our lines. Look at that shark. It's awesome. I love it. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, what we do, Odin, is we erase any lines that we don't need, okay? All right, Odin, these look so good. We're going to use this blue-gray, and we're going to color our shark blue-gray, and we're going to just leave this bottom part open. We're going to maybe leave that white or make it really, really light gray. We're going to do one more touch, buddy. We're going to put a little light gray right down here. Very light gray. Okay. Now, I'm going to show how to do a few very basic shading things. So if you want to shade very basically, just put a little light line on each tooth. I think Odin's going to do the non-shaded version. Why don't you just color that in like that? Okay. I'll use this one. It's a little darker, so we can see this a little better. You just do one little line on each tooth, and that will show shaded. You do one line on the outside of the eyes, that will look shaded there. You can do one singular line down here. That doesn't show up because it's not dark enough. So maybe grab something just a little bit darker because it's already on top of gray. Do one singular line there. And then we can continue with this marker. And you just, anywhere the light's having trouble reaching, you just do a little line, just one line. Very basic shading. Okay, very basic. Underneath here, the light would be having trouble getting to that. Here as well. A little bit on this underside here. And just kind of carry that line the whole length. And then actually it would show on the top of the teeth as well. Well, there you have it. And then right here would be another line. And since we're at it here, Odin, I think what I'll do is I'll also show a couple small highlight lines. So you would maybe put a shiny spot there, one on his nose. Oh, that's not showing up how I hoped. Not very bright, is it?
No.
Maybe one there, one on the tip of his tail. And again, these are just very simple highlight lines if you want to just show. Like spots where the light's shining off of his body. All right. You happy with these, Odin? Shark! Odin, did you have fun drawing these sharks today?
Yeah, these are our sharks today.
These are our sharks today, and we started with a number 4. Was it easier to start with a number 4?
Yes.
Yeah, it was fun. It was nice and fun and easy to start with the number 4. This is what they came out like, and we think they are spectacular.
Yeah.
Yes. So, hopefully you drew along. Hopefully you watched some more videos on
Craft Kids TV! Craft Kids TV!
Keep Drawing, Stay Awesome, and see you in the next video.